Have a great day. Today we are going to learn letter H. H and her. H and her. H like a ladder. Ladder එකක් වගේ. H and her. Here H. Her. H letter sound. Her. Her. H and her. H for house. H for house. H for house. House. Her house. H house. Her house. H for house. Her for house. H. H for horse. H for horse. H for horse. Her for horse. Her for horse. Her for horse. H. H for hat. Her for hat. H for hat. Her for hat. Am I nice? H for hen. H for hen. Her for hen. Her for hen. Her for H for hen. Her for hen. Hens gives us an eggs. Hen. H for helicopter. H for helicopter. Her for helicopter. Her for helicopter. H and her. Now you know what is H, what is her. H letter sound her. H and her. Right. We will meet with next letter pute. Bye bye.